Hello guys, good afternoon everyone, and we are on our second set of surprise for today's video, and we are going to Hugaban, Carigara, Leyte para surprise si Nanay Mami Daki sa kanyang kaarawan today. So yun, happy birthday po, and maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Maita all the way from Australia, and sa kanyang mga kapatid from Saudi and Philippines. And ito po yung set of package na napili nila para sa kanilang minamahalay na. Ang theme nga po pala natin ay red, white, and gold with 10,000 worth of money bouquet. Then ating 12 pieces red rose fresh na flower. And of course ang ating free na kakanin, and of course ang ating cake na customize. So yun sana po ay mapasaya natin ang ating celebrant for today's video, at pangabangan niyo po ang ating video mamaya. At thank you so much again, Ma'am Maita, for choosing surprise and gift delivery, for being part of your mother's birthday celebration surprise. At sa mga nais po na magpa-surprise sa kanilang mga sa buhay dito sa Leyte and Samar, just contact surprise and gift delivery, at kami na po bahala mag-surprise sa mga naiwan nyo dito. So yun, thank you so much again everyone. God bless, keep safe, and peace out.